Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are taking a look at a little asset package in the Unity asset store called Slum Houses. So this one I wasn't too sure about. I saw an image and thought, actually that looks kind of cool because it looks like it could be used for something, for example, like a post-apocalyptic world. And yes, indeed, I think you probably could. So it comes with a little demo scene. You guys know I love the demo scenes. And at first glance, it doesn't look too bad. There appears to be quite a few different variations of these slum houses. You know, they do look very reminiscent of something you would see in probably a Fallout game. And overall, I think the quality, considering it's free, is rather nice. I think it could be a little bit better, but that could just be down to you customizing it a little bit more. So quality overall, yeah, I think it's acceptable. I think it's an acceptable amount of quality. Quantity wise, well, if we take a look at the actual folder itself, we can see everything is kind of not quite as what you would expect. Now, each house or slum or whatever you want to call it is built individually, and we can see all the different parts to each sections of these. So you could build your own on many different levels, and all of the ones within a demo scene are just examples of those. I think each one is unique, but don't quote me on that because I've not 100% checked them all, but they do look kind of unique. So there's a lot to this, and I think this is where the quantity of the asset package itself really shines, because the demo scene itself offers all these multitude, and you could literally take some of these and just take them over. Rather than build your own, you could just take them over. You can see by default there are just a couple of houses there that you can bring over, no problem, into the scene. Very nice, sure. And then obviously all the other prefabs are to build your own if you need to. So quantity, yeah, there's a lot to work with here. Customizability, very high, because obviously you can create your own. You can create as many as you want. So there are infinite possibilities, which is always a good thing to see. So obviously it's versatile in that respect as well. So you could also change a lot of this as well to make it a little bit more your own. So let's take this right here. Let's take the material on here, and you could change the normal map as I always do, play around with it, change to a grayscale, see how it all looks. You can see it becomes a much more gritty looking material then. Same with the wood. You could always just change that around, give it a go on the old grayscale. See how it looks when you click apply, Jimmy? Gritty. It's kind of cool. And then you can obviously go a little bit further, play around with the source to albedo. You know, so the possibilities with this pack are endless because, look, they are kind of cool. So quality, quantity, versatility, everything, fantastic. The size is 31 megabytes, which not huge, not small. Well, I say it's not small. I suppose it is small by today's standards, but just keep that in mind when you're working with your project file, how big it gets. Folders are all neatly laid out. Very nice. It's got the demo scene as well. Perfect. Extras. Not really any extras to speak of. What it describes is what you get, which is, I think, fine. I think that's perfect. It's no problems with that whatsoever. So as you guys know, I don't rate assets. I like to either recommend them or not. And yeah, quite frankly, I think I would recommend this. If you're building some kind of slum town or some post-apocalyptic kind of world, then yeah, I think you'll probably find a use for this asset in your game. So yeah, I would absolutely recommend it. So guys, if you use this asset yourself, let me know in the comments what you think of this asset. Is it good? Is it bad? What needs improving? Just let me know your thoughts on it. If you've got an asset on the asset store, let me know as well, because I'd love to check it out and maybe review it myself. Don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon as well. Stay up to date with everything I've got on video game development on my channel. And guys, thank you very much for watching.